Hey, I'm Stuart Etherington, founder and CEO of DreamPort. We're here today to discuss how to customize your DreamPorts. In each box of DreamPorts, you'll find 4 sheets of DreamPorts. These were designed to be one size fits all, and each box contains 16 nights of use. For this demonstration today on how to customize your DreamPorts, I've gone ahead and pre-prepared and cleaned my face with DreamPreps. I've also taken a sheet of DreamPorts and gone ahead and cut them down for this demonstration. In case you find out after considerable use of the DreamPorts that you don't need as much adhesive, you can actually trim the adhesive down or reallocate parts of the adhesive in order to fully complete a seal on your face. And in the case today, I'm going to trim down each set of DreamPorts with what I call a block cut, and that's a straight line cut down the adhesives. And so in this case, I am going to cut them straight down like so. And you'll see that these are considerably shorter in length than a full DreamPort. And like I said, for this demonstration, I've already cleaned my nose. I'm going to take a set of the cut down, the box cut, and I'm going to apply these. I'm looking in a mirror. That's one set. I'll pull off the other one. Line this up with my other nostril. You'll notice that there is a much smaller footprint of adhesive on each side of my nostrils. And bring up the Dreamwave and then connect these into place. And that is it. This is a full connection. I can go in and apply this to the universal tube and I'm off to the races. Sweet dreams.